Okay guys, I don't think I've ever done an unboxing ever, but this one was too good. And look, I'm so bad at it. I have no chill. I already opened it, but I have to show it to you. This is so good. I reached out to the Landmark Project, who I am a huge fan of, and I was like, I am a huge fan. Can we be friends? And they were like, yeah, let's be friends. And they sent me a box. They were like, we're gonna send you some t-shirts. They sent me so much more than like 2 t-shirts. And I'm gonna share them with you because they're so freaking adorable. But of course, the first thing that I pull up and I see in the box, which of course you know I love my hats. Oh, what? I'm sorry. Cute, so cute. It says only you, and then on the back it says prevent forest fires, wildfires. How cute is this? It's so cute. Okay, then they sent me these t-shirts. Let me show you. Don is probably going to try to steal some of these. He's not going to get them. I'm going to hide them. Look at how cute with these like vintage kind of designs that are going on. This is like the National Park t-shirt. And then, okay, this is my favorite t-shirt out of the bunch. Well, I don't know. There's the third one that's really good. But this is I love everything Smokey Bear. I already have my Smokey Bear hat and my Smokey Bear sweatshirt. And now I have the Smokey Bear t-shirt, but look at the back. Look at the back. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, then this, which is near and dear to our hearts because you guys have seen it. You know we do it all the time. Leave no trace. When we're out on the trails with the Jeeps, we're constantly picking up trash. And when we're in a campground, we're constantly picking up trash. This is the Leave No Trace t-shirt. These things are so soft. Yes, I'm gonna wear it all the time. And yes, I'm gonna be a billboard sending out the message. There's nothing like a great message t-shirt. And then, because we are in the PNW, so while I am in a dress today, because it is actually warm today, the majority of the time that I've been in the PNW, I have been in a sweatshirt. And I love a good sweatshirt. And this has like this paint splatter on it. And then look, oh my God, it's so, so cute. And it's lightweight. It's like really lightweight, like a great spring, summer, fall sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, this is so, how cute is this? Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much. Anyways, on top of them saying, yes, we can be friends, they also said, let me give you a discount code for your followers. So I got a code for you guys for 15% off. It's Campfires and Fireflies 15, and I will put the link on here so you know where to go shop. But I mean, how freaking cute. And let me tell you why I am obsessed with the Landmark Project, because it's more than just cute clothes and apparel and hats and cute stickers and giftables. They send a message. Let's get into it. I had to try on another piece. So what is great about the Landmark Project is that they put their proceeds towards things that matter. And so we talk about putting our money, voting with our money. This is a company that I stand behind wholeheartedly. They do great things by working with the National Wildlife Federation, Leave No Trace, the National Forest Foundation, U.S. Forest Service lands. So not only do they donate money, but they actually do projects with them and they work side by side with them. And that just really speaks a lot to me about like standing behind your product and standing behind the mission of this product and the message that you're trying to deliver. And I think right now it is so crucial that we are supporting brands that support our forest lands after all that we've been through and all that we have almost lost. And I just want you guys to get out there and do your part. We do our part when we're out on the trails, but do your part by shopping with the brands that are making the difference. So as I said, I'm gonna get you your link. You can get a 15% discount, which was, let me think about it, Campfires and Fireflies 15% off will get you a ton of stuff on their website. And it's so cute. And it's not just clothing. There's like giftables, like cute posters, which I'm trying to decide right now which one I'm going to buy for the RV. But just go on there, support the brands that matter, that are making a difference, and that look cute AF.